Good morning, everyone. I'm excited to welcome you to today's presentation. Today, we will explore the smart and sustainable road development system. We'll look at how we can transform India's road infrastructure using cutting-edge technology, eco-friendly materials, and intelligent management systems. Over the next few minutes, I'll guide you through innovative solutions that aim to make our roads smarter, greener, and more efficient. Let's get started. Let's talk about the current state of India's road infrastructure today. As many of you know, our roads face frequent damage and deterioration, which leads to a lot of ongoing repair needs. This results in high maintenance costs that strain budgets and resources. Unfortunately, our approach has often been reactive, fixing things after they break, rather than preventing issues before they happen. Additionally, traditional materials used in road construction can have a significant environmental impact, contributing to pollution and resource depletion. Now, what does this mean in real terms? The impact is quite serious. Increased accidents and safety concerns are a direct consequence of poor road conditions. Plus, when the surfaces are not smooth, vehicles consume more fuel, which not only adds to costs but also increases emissions. Travel times tend to be longer, especially during peak hours or bad conditions, affecting productivity for businesses and commuters alike. And all these issues lead to a recurring strain on government budgets, as authorities have to allocate more funds to repairs and maintenance constantly. So, as we explore solutions, it's clear that addressing these challenges is vital for creating safer, more efficient, and sustainable road infrastructure overall. Now, let me introduce SSRDS, which stands for Smart and Sustainable Road Development System. This is truly a revolutionary approach to building our infrastructure. It combines the latest in technology with eco-friendly materials, aiming to create intelligent and durable road networks that can effectively meet India's rapidly growing transportation needs. A key feature of SSRDS is the use of smart sensors embedded directly into the road infrastructure. These sensors enable real-time monitoring, giving us instant data on the condition of the roads, traffic flow, and other critical factors. This means we can respond quickly to issues and ensure smoother transportation. Next, we have AI analytics. The system uses advanced artificial intelligence to analyze the data collected by these sensors. This allows for predictive maintenance, so we can anticipate problems before they become serious, and helps us prioritize repairs and upgrades efficiently. It's about working smarter, not just harder. Finally, SSRDS emphasizes the use of sustainable materials in construction. Eco-friendly materials not only reduce environmental impact, but also contribute to the long-lasting durability of the roads. This holistic approach ensures our infrastructure is both environmentally responsible and resilient over time. Altogether, SSRDS represents a significant step forward in creating smarter, greener, and more durable road networks for India's future. Let's take a closer look at how smart sensor technology is transforming our approach to road management. First, we have traffic load monitoring. These sensors are constantly tracking vehicle weight distribution and traffic patterns, which helps us identify stress points on the road before they turn into major failures. This proactive approach is crucial for maintaining safety and extending the lifespan of our infrastructure. Next, temperature tracking plays a vital role. By continuously monitoring both surface and subsurface temperatures, we can prevent damage caused by heat-related expansion and contraction. This helps us avoid cracks and other issues that develop due to temperature fluctuations. Moving on to surface condition analysis, advanced detection methods allow us to identify cracks, potholes, and wear patterns at an early stage. Catching these problems early means we can perform targeted repairs, saving time and resources while ensuring safety. Finally, automated alerts are a game changer. Once an issue is detected, instant notifications are sent to maintenance teams. This ensures rapid response, preventing minor problems from escalating into costly and dangerous failures. All these elements work together to create a smarter, more responsive road system that enhances safety, efficiency, and longevity. Let's take a closer look at how AI-powered maintenance management is transforming the way we keep our roads in top shape. Artificial intelligence enables us to shift from reactive maintenance, which is often costly and inefficient, to a proactive, data-driven approach. This means we can predict issues before they become serious, ultimately saving time and resources. Predictive analytics play a crucial role here by forecasting maintenance needs months in advance. This allows us to plan better and prevent problems before they impact safety or cause delays. Additionally, priority algorithms help us allocate resources more effectively by focusing on the most critical areas first, ensuring that the most urgent issues are addressed promptly. Cost optimization is another significant benefit. By intervening early, we reduce overall infrastructure spending, saving money that can be redirected to other important projects. Safety also sees a substantial boost because early hazard identification helps us prevent accidents before they happen. You might notice that these improvements lead to impressive results: a 40% reduction in maintenance costs, a 60% faster response time for repairs, and a 35% decrease in accident rates on monitored roads. All these points tie back to our overarching goal: to create safer, more efficient, and longer-lasting roads through innovative AI technologies. Today, I want to highlight some of the sustainable materials SSRDS uses to build for the future. We focus on innovative, eco-friendly options that not only improve durability, but also help reduce environmental impact and construction costs. One key material is recycled plastic. By mixing waste plastic with asphalt, we can create roads that are stronger and more weather-resistant. This approach also tackles plastic pollution by giving waste a second life, making our surfaces last longer than traditional materials. Another important element is fly ash integration. Fly ash is an industrial byproduct that, when added to our road base, enhances its strength and load-bearing capacity. Plus, it helps us repurpose waste that would otherwise need to be disposed of, turning a waste problem into a solution. Lastly, we use warm-mix asphalt. This material is produced at lower temperatures, which means we consume less energy during manufacturing. It also results in fewer emissions, all while maintaining the high performance and durability we need for long-lasting roads. Together, these materials exemplify our commitment to sustainability, innovation, and building infrastructure that's better for the environment and future generations. Let's take a closer look at green infrastructure integration. First, we have solar-powered streetlights. These are self-sustaining lighting systems that not only cut down on electricity costs, but also help reduce our overall carbon footprint. Importantly, they provide consistent illumination, which is crucial for ensuring safety during nighttime travel. Next, we have rainwater drainage systems. These engineered systems are designed to prevent flooding and waterlogging, protecting both infrastructure and communities. Additionally, they channel water for potential reuse, whether in agriculture or urban settings, promoting resource efficiency. When we combine solar lighting with effective drainage, the environmental impact is significant. These integrated systems work together to reduce pollution, conserve energy, and build resilient infrastructure. They're adaptable solutions that help us face climate challenges head-on, aligning perfectly with our overall goal of sustainable development. Now, let's look at how these improvements benefit all stakeholders involved. For commuters, smoother roads mean reduced travel times, making daily commutes quicker and less stressful. Additionally, better road conditions lead to lower fuel consumption, saving money and reducing environmental impact. Safer journeys are also a key advantage, with fewer accidents and injuries. Plus, improved road quality can help with vehicle maintenance costs, as cars experience less wear and tear. For the transport industry, these enhancements translate to faster delivery times, which boosts overall efficiency. Reduced vehicle wear and tear means lower maintenance expenses, and operational costs decrease as a result. Reliable route planning becomes easier, helping companies stay on schedule and optimize their logistics. Turning to rural communities, Better infrastructure provides crucial connectivity to markets, opening up new economic opportunities. Improved access to healthcare facilities ensures residents can receive essential services more easily. Educational opportunities also expand when transportation is more reliable, allowing students to attend school without difficulty. All these factors contribute to broader economic development in these regions. Finally, from a government perspective, investing in improved infrastructure leads to significant cost savings on repairs and maintenance over time. It allows for more efficient budget allocation, ensuring funds are used where they are most needed. It also supports environmental sustainability goals by reducing emissions from smoother traffic flow and lower fuel use. Ultimately, these improvements enhance public satisfaction, as citizens experience safer, more reliable travel and better quality of life. Now, let's look at our implementation roadmap, which outlines how we will bring this project to life step by step. First, in Phase 1, we focus on pilot projects. Here, we'll deploy the SSRDS technology on select high-traffic corridors. The goal is to demonstrate its effectiveness in real-world conditions and gather valuable performance data that will guide our next steps. Moving on to Phase 2, which is technology integration. At this stage, we'll install sensor networks and AI monitoring systems across those pilot zones. This helps us optimize performance and maintenance. Plus, we'll train our teams to ensure smooth operation and upkeep. Next is Phase 3, the material transition. This is where we scale up sustainable material production. We'll establish robust supply chains for recycled plastics and warm-mix asphalt, making sure our materials are environmentally friendly and reliable for larger projects. Finally, in Phase 4, the national rollout, we'll expand the successful model across major highways, urban roads, and rural connectivity projects nationwide. This phased approach ensures we build on proven results, making the implementation efficient and impactful, ultimately supporting our goal of more sustainable and smarter transportation infrastructure. Building India's road network for tomorrow is all about embracing a smarter and more sustainable approach. The smart and sustainable road development system marks a real shift in how we think about infrastructure. It's not just about building roads anymore. It's about combining innovation, sustainability, and efficiency to create roads that will serve the country for decades to come. One key aspect is reducing costs. We can achieve this through predictive maintenance, which helps us identify issues early before they become major problems, and by using durable materials that last longer, saving money in the long run. Safety is also a top priority. Real-time monitoring and rapid response systems mean we can quickly address any issues that arise, making our roads safer for everyone. On the environmental front, we're committed to stewardship by incorporating recycled materials and green infrastructure. This approach minimizes environmental impact and promotes eco-friendly development. All of these efforts contribute to economic growth, as reliable and efficient transportation networks are crucial for commerce, connectivity, and overall development. So, let's work together to build smarter, greener, and more resilient roads that will support India's growth and development well into the future.